is done or this is yet to be done?
No.
Yeah,
See,
it's done already.
site
Substation is clear.
restoration. See, site restoration has different aspects of it. Okay, so if you are confident everything is cleared and the area is safe, put your signature. All of you should sign.
Actually, Mr.
And then we design.
yeah, site restoration in cellar area and substation side has been done. So it is part of the HPNLP. Other activity, harmonic filter activity is going on. That is different.
Oh, agreed.
Yeah. So restoration is done in cellar area and substation area.
Okay. So we have, see, if you can sign, put your signature, no problem, and we get end user to confirm that. After which we are going to prepare.
For end user side, they already signed.
Already end user, Mr. Babolo, already in
closed on the IDOC.
No, that is phaser. Don't you see? This is an audit. Site restoration audit is a deliverable. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that area, because see, we are going to put out, we are closing this area now, right? So we are taking only the site restoration audit, which means you are declaring that the area is safe and everything has been carried out, whatever you have said, PHSER, fine. But we need the signature of everybody confirming this.
So guys, this is very important.
Concerned party operation maintenance only, HSE.
Yeah, this is very important because after construction and commissioning, we should ensure that there is no waste, no garbage, and every innovation. And probably in construction, you might have taken some innovation, you might have innovated some fire and gas detector. So we have to restore.
Everything is restored. Then only we can go for the energization. So what Mr. Babolo is telling, that is separate part actually. We'll check and we'll confirm with the teams.
Okay. So I'm not taking a recommendation. Let us keep it outside the PHSER, right?
No, Chairman, this is very, very important. I know without this must be done before PHSER, fine, before the commission. But this part is a safe